This video demonstrates the SolBox route and load optimization technology and how we can see orders that have been imported into the system, identifying their customer and the address, as well as the time window that this order needs to be fulfilled within, and how long it would take the driver to unload once they're on site. So the calculations that take place take into consideration not only the times, but also the items that are on the order. So in this case, we can see that there are 3 different items, but a total of 80 quantity that needs to be loaded onto the vehicle. So each vehicle has their own capacity that's been set. And we can see based on this actual order that the capacity is 80, and we need to load that onto a vehicle that can hold that capacity. Any changes to the order can also be made here. So the way to operate it is we allocate all the orders that are on for that day, and by auto optimizing, the system can select drivers, or we can select the drivers we'd like to use. We can also make changes to their working hours if we need to. Otherwise, the system will calculate their start and finish location, their working hours, the capacity of each vehicle, and the time that it's going to take them between each location. So we can see now that the system has calculated each order onto a manifest, ensuring that the carton capacity or quantity that is allowed on each vehicle does not increase the selected amount. As we can see here, the driver's working hours been adhered to as well. The other drivers weren't required to be used because we could load the vehicles without using extra drivers. At this point, we can remove orders if required and add new manifests, or we can submit the orders, which would then be ready to dispatch to a driver app. The key things to note when we're creating manifests and dispatching is that the manifest list now provides the scheduler with different information regarding the run, the current location of the driver, the capacity of the vehicle that it can handle, and the load that's on there right now, allowing the scheduler to add new orders to ensure that the capacity is met and not increased.